Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Razor Speed Freak 650 here. I want to take a minute to explain myself. My first video on YouTube wasn't much, maybe 3 months ago, 4 months ago. I had built another RSF650. It was a stock frame. It was same colors as the stock ones, but I had built it and got that up to 59.5 miles an hour. And I was curious to see if that was the fastest RSS 650 out there. So I posted a video. And nobody has claimed that speed on one of these bikes. So I was happy to know that. And I have since sold that bike to a gentleman. He's 200 some pounds and he says he does 58 miles an hour on it. So as far as I know, that's the fastest RSF 650 out there. We're not trying to build that here. We're just trying to build something much more torquier that does good speed, a good range, and lots of torque. So this is another RSF 650. It's not a kit. I'm a member of Modified Razors. Been a member of them for probably 18 months, 2 years. This is everything I've learned in the group. Trial and error. I've bought stuff, tried it, moved on, tried the next thing, read comments, listened to posts, talked to people, and learned how to build these. So I built this from scratch. Bought a brand new bike off of Amazon. Bought motor separate, bought controller separate, bought battery separate, bought my throttle separate, bought my bars separate, learned how to wire up my voltmeter and my charger. This seat, that's my modification. I'm the first one that's done the seat. Right now, in the video later, you're going to hear some brake squeaking. We just still running stock Razor brakes because we're testing. And we're hitting the brakes a lot, and there's no sense of burning up a good set of pads on a decent set of brakes. So we just leave them on there while we're testing, and we'll change them out this winter. But so I wanted to talk about this bike a little bit. It's not a kit. Somebody had commented maybe it was a kit and that you buy this as a kit. You can't buy this as a kit, not this one. This is a 3,000 watt motor, 72 volt battery, 80 amp, 220 amp continuous controller. I have a voltmeter, and my charge port is stock, and my switch is stock. I add the voltmeter, so the controller and the voltmeter come on when you turn the switch on. That turns the bike on. So that's that, and we're at 83.6, so we're getting ready to ride this thing. I'm going to take you on a ride. No, I don't have video skills. I don't have smash and subscribe buttons. Like I said, I put my first video out there just to see if anybody had a better speed. What do I know? I live in Maryland. I don't know what's going on the other side of the world. So I put it out there and some people liked and subscribed, so I started making videos for them. And I'm not much into this, so I don't know how to make videos, but I'm kind of enjoying it. So I'm gonna try to do some build videos for you. At the end of this video, I promise there will be some links and descriptions to parts. However, with the ports the way they are and manual labor shortages, these parts, you can probably not even going to find this motor for under $300, and I think I paid $120 for it. If you find it, this battery is by a local guy. He runs a e-bike business and he builds batteries. He built this for me, and right now I am only running one battery. I have a second battery which will double my capacity and keep up. So right now we only have a 60 amp output continuous and 120 amp peak on that battery. So that the controller is bigger than the battery. So but it's not tripping it. I've got it turned down So I expect some more power when that battery comes in. We just wanted to run it, see what it does. So we've got the current turned down, and voltage is at 83.7. Tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and unplug it. Cheap charger, but it works. Low, it's like 3 amps. I don't like charging my batteries at high amps because it disintegrates the cells quicker. So I don't mind, you know, I use small batteries so they don't take long to charge anyway. So I use the stock charge for it. So there you go. Flip that back. Put it down. Lay it back down. Alright. And go for a ride. Brakes are gonna squeak, but you stop. This has burning up going. This will call. I had to let off the throttle. My front end was lifting. I'm going to do a little straight shot from here. Man, the front end was lifting. I had to let off. I was running 3/4 throttle. Man got us. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and end this video. Go up here, let's feel this motor shot. Nah, it's not hot. It's warm. No warmer than probably the hood of my truck. Probably less than that. But I don't know how fast we were going, but I felt my front end lifting up, especially when I took off. That thing's got some torque. Running half battery, so we're not even. The controller is 80 amp continuous. 220 amp peak for 30 seconds. And right now that battery is only doing 60 amp continuous 120 peak. When the second one comes, we'll be doing 120 continuous 240 peak. So I don't know what we're gonna do then, but that'll be fun. All right, stay tuned, man. I'm gonna put some links for some parts in here. Good luck finding them, guys. I'm serious, man. I hope you do. And don't pay an arm and a leg. But we'll talk more. Thanks for subscribing.